Glass is known to be a transparent material, but ground glass is opaque and white in color. Why? Or what are the characteristics of glass and ground glass with respect to light? Or give reasons for glass is a transparent material, but ground glass is an opaque material. Let us take two types of glass slabs. They are glass and ground glass. Glass is a transparent material which has a smooth surface. When we switch on the light, we can observe that the parallel beam of light is emanating from the source. When the parallel beam of light is incident on the glass, it allows the light pass through it. We can observe that emergent rays are parallel to each other. Ground glass is an opaque material. It has a rough and flat surface. When we switch on the light, when the parallel beam of light is incident on the ground glass, it reflects and scatters in all directions. It doesn't allow the light to pass through it because of the microscopic unevenness of the ground glass. This type of reflection in the ground glass is diffused reflection or irregular reflection. Due to this, ground glass is opaque and white in color.